हेलो चिल्ड्रेन, डू यू लाइक स्टोरीज? तुमको गप भल लगे? विल यू लिसन ए स्टोरी? गोटे गप सुनिबा। लुक एट द पिक्चर। दिस इज ए लायन एंड दिस इज ए रैट। टुडे we will listen a story, The Lion and the Rat. Okay. There was a big lion. There was a small rat. One day, the big lion was sleeping under a tree. ଗଛ ତଳେ ଶୋଇଥିଲା। By mistake, ଭୁଲରେ the rat climbed up the lion. rat lion ଉପରେ ଚଢିଗଲା। The lion was very angry. lion ବହୁତ ରାଗିଗଲା। He roared, ସେ ଗର୍ଜନ କଲା and said, ଏବଂ କହିଲା, I will kill you. ମୁଁ ତତେ ମାରିଦେବି। The rat said, rat କହିଲା, please don't kill me. I will help you one day. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଦିନେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବି। The lion let the rat go. lion rat को ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲା। Another day, ଆଉ ଦିନେ the big lion was caught in a net. big lion ଜାଲରେ ପଡ଼ି ଯାଇଥିଲା। he could not come out. ସେ ଜାଲରୁ ବାହାରି ପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ। he roared and roared. ସେ ଗର୍ଜନ ପରେ ଗର୍ଜନ କରି ଚାଲିଲା। the rat heard the roar and come to the lion. rat ଗର୍ଜନ ଶୁଣି lion ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଲା। the rat caught the net. rat ଜାଲ କାଟିଦେଲା। the lion was very happy. ସେ ରେଟ୍ को ପଚାରିଲା। he asked the rat, where will you go? the rat said, I will go home. rat କହିଲା, ମୁଁ ଘରକୁ ଯିବି। the lion said, come and sit on my back. ମୋ ପିଠିରେ ବସ, ମୁଁ ତୋତେ ଘରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି। then ତାପରେ lion ରେଟ୍ କୁ ପିଠିରେ ବସାଇ ତା ହୋମ୍ ରେ ତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲା। did you enjoy? okay.